So I hope guys you all are doing well and fantastic in your life, and with that your English learning journey is also going good and fabulous. So as I promised you all that I'm just waiting for my stand to come, and after that I'll record the video on regular basis. So I already received my tripod stand on 20th December only, but still I just waiting for to upload the videos. But because of my busy schedule, I am able to do that. And today, like you will not believe, since morning I just recorded 3 to 4 videos on terrace, and I was just like, how I can upload it. It was nearly, I think, a 7 to 8 times that I started recording it, and like people they are just like different buildings. They're just watching that what's going on here. Like she is using tripod kind of thing, and from the kids they are asking and shouting, like they're shouting from other buildings. They're saying like, hey sister, what's going on over there? I used to say that nothing special, and that's the reason that like I didn't upload that videos on YouTube. So I thought it was just like, come on, be relaxed, and again start recording. So I already made a lot of videos, right? But not outside, inside, just sitting on a chair and recording the things, right? So now I thought that, come on, madam, now you have to come outside, okay, outside of your room, and try to visit few of the different places and share the opinions on that. Okay, so this is the first day, like special for this video. It's the first video that I'm making outside, right? So it took little time to get the things in a proper way and little confident also. So I told it, okay, now Meda, please try to record the things and upload. You have to upload today at any cost. So I thought that, okay, let's do it. So guys, today I'll share with you all that how you can create your self-English environment. Okay, I already shared in a lot of videos about these things, and you guys must know about it. A lot of things is there that how you can create your self-English environment. But today I'm outside. Okay, I'm like recording the things from outside, so I wanted to show you that how you can create your self-English environment, right? So here, like right now, I'm alone, right? But I'm doing the conversation with you. So somewhere, like I'm creating myself English environment. So what things that I can do here? So I'm outside now. I am able to see a lot of buildings here. I'll show you tomorrow, not today. Yeah. So a lot of different colors of buildings that I'm able to see. Even the stairs also. And yes, few of the birds is also like flying in the sky, and the sparrows that I able to see, even the pigeons that I able to see, and people they are just drying their clothes on rope. They are putting it, okay, hanging it, you can call, and yeah. So few of the utensil sounds also that I am getting from outside, and yes, here like ladies they are busy with the morning schedule, and they are doing their regular basis morning activity. Okay, so few of them actually today is Sunday, so today kids are actually in home, so they are just preparing breakfast snacks for them to give, and yes, they already started the preparation for the dinner also. Okay, so that all things that they are doing. Okay, what other things that I able to see here in self-English environment, what things that they can see. So here, yes. So here I'm seeing the Tulsi plant, right? So my Tulsi plant, I think, I don't know why, but it's suffering with small disease where, bacteria or what we can call for a particular thing. I'm not getting the word. So it stems little bit. It just occupying with the whitish color of powder, and that's not letting those leaves to grow betterly. So it just turning into the brown and even in yellowish color. Okay, so I don't know what kind of disease we call it. So I'll share with you that also, not now, in another video. And yes, so I served to my PG like rice in morning, but I think that it's too cold in our area. No? That could be the reason that they didn't came in morning. So now they are enjoying the rice. Okay, now they came, they are enjoying the rice. The boiled rice I used to give to them. They are enjoying after taking rice, like they are, like drinking the water also. I literally wanted to show you, but if I turn on the camera, like turn on backside camera, so it's going to be stop. So that's the reason I don't do that right now. and what are the things? Yes, the cute babies that I will to see here. Okay, and yes, and more things that you can describe by your own. Whatever things you are saying, so please try to speak out in English. If you are stucking, if you are not getting any words to describe the thing, so for that, of course, Google is available. So please try to take the help and support from there. And yes, the baby is already baby is shouting that please give little like little attention to me also. So yes, I'll come to you, wait. Okay, so this is all the things that you can create the self environment by your own. See, uh, wherever you are present, it may be like town, city, or whatever place, even on road also. If you have 5 minutes, 6 minutes, okay, if you are standing or waiting something to do, so during that time also you can like you can make yourself English environment. But how? So the things that right now I shared, whatever things that I able to see here, so I'm just trying to describe that all things in the form of words. And even the same thing that you guys also have to do. That's it. Describe the things in a form of words. It's really going to help you a lot. To learn this language very fastly, because that things you are observing on regular basis, right? So whatever that you will speak, or if you don't know, you will do search. So after searching also, that particular word or sentence is going to directly feed in your mind, because that activity you are observing on regular basis. So you need not to put your extra effort towards that. Okay, so that's the reason I used to say each and every day, please try to create your self-English environment instead of preferring to any movie or any web series kind of thing, or like book reading kind of thing, like that type of activity. If you don't know how to frame the sentence, yes, then you can go towards the translation activity. But if you are already, like few of the sentences, few of the words, betterly, so then don't prefer to go such kind of activities. Then just prefer these activities only. Whatever things that you're able to say, please try to start describing the things, especially related to daily activities. Okay, because that sentences you already know, so it's going to be an easy thing for you to describe, right? And to learn the things also. So that's what I wanted to share in last. Finally, I'm done with the things about how to create a self-English environment. And tomorrow I'll record the video on Paris. So there I think that I'll give better and best ideas to speak more and more by self. How you can do that. I'll describe the all things. And in finally and last, I want to share only one thing, that guys, if you want to connect with me for English learning purpose, so of course you can connect. I always try to welcome you, right? To connect with me or to connect with us. So for that, what you have to do, only one click that you have to do. Please just go towards the description box. Over there, I already provided the WhatsApp channel link. So today you can connect with me. I'll inform you all the things that what is the procedure of taking classes on regular basis, on all the things, how I'm going to preach, demo session, and all the things I already put in the WhatsApp channel. So please join over there, watch the things, and try to come to me and learn this English with full of simple and easy way, with full of musty and enjoyment kind of thing. That's it. And last, I wanted to share. So I'll connect with you again tomorrow in another video with something new that I'm planning to bring. Let's see. Bye. Take care, guys.